Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have come up with a review of Samsung washing machine top load whose capacity is 6.2 kg and model number is WA82V4G. I have been using this washing machine for almost 8 years. So I will share the experience of this washing machine with you. Stay with me. So far, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon next to it for new upload notification. So here is a power button on the left side and whose power connection is done, and here is the water supply connection. Below the washing machine the pipe is given to drain out the dirty water, and I have always been using this machine by alternate day. After the exchange of this machine, I got it 11,000 rupees. Its capacity is approximately 10 to 12 clothes which used to be used at one time. It depends upon clothes. When I was searching for the washing machine, this looks wise, I loved it very much. Because of no locks, clothes can also be added in last minute. Its cover is made up of tempered glass and inside the tub is plastic material. There is a small section in which we can put detergent, and I remember that I wouldn't have barely put it in 2 or 3 times only. The problem comes when I put detergent in this section, then the detergent doesn't go in the tub. Here is a power button on the right side below next to the start and hold. After that there is an option to select a course as if fizzy, blanket, delicate, clean tub, quick, water saving, super clean and sari option. According to your clothes, you can select any of these options and wash your clothes. And the next option is super clean. We use this option when we have to wash clothes in a hurry, but in winters no clothes are clean whether you use any of the options. Just next to the same is the delay a start button. If you want to have your machine run after 1 hour or 2 hours, then this button is for you that. And a little left side is there, so here are buttons for which our manual option are to be selected. The first option is water level. So if you have less clothes, then keep the water level at minimum. If the fabric is high, then keep the water level high. And on the other hand, if you have washed the clothes by hand, then it has to dry only, then we use this option, and we use this option in mostly winters. If you do not have clothes soaked before washing, then you should use this button, otherwise do not. And the next button is wash. You can take 30 minutes of wash time. The next button is rinse. In this you can select how many times you have to wash your clothes with clean water. Most of the time I always all the machine manually. The next option is spin. You can also manually set how long you have to dry clothes. So this is its pros. Now I will tell about its cons. As everyone knows that there is a 4-month winter in the north side of India, and in the winter the clothes cannot be cleaned well. There is no hot water system in this machine, due to which the collar of the clothes pockets remain dirty, due to which the clothes had to be removed from the machine by rubbing it with the rubbing brush. After that the clothes were cleaned somewhere. Then I start pouring hot water in the machine, due to which a little water would fall on the display too, because of which the display got spoiled, and once I had to change the display. I think this machine is right for places where winters are not there. After facing so many difficulties, I am now realizing that there is no difference between this fully automatic machine and semi machine. It would have been better if I bought a semi washing machine. I am not talking about a particular brand. After taking this machine, there was no change in my life. After that, I used to remove all the clothes from the machine and then wash by my hands in these 4 months of winters. Thank you so much for watching my true review so long. If you like my review, then subscribe to my channel because subscribing is free. I have shared my experience with you. Now you decide what machine you want to buy in future. So at the end, I would like to say that my experience with this machine was not good at all. My money and my time were both wasted. So I will not suggest this machine to anyone to buy it. If you liked my feedback about Samsung fully automatic washing machine, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon next to it. And press the like button and comment in the comment box. Very soon I will come back with a new interesting video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.